Ever feel like you're guessing what your guests want? I will share how guest personas can help you deliver the perfect stay each traveler type is looking for. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of vacation rental knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Ever hosted a couple on their honeymoon and the next week a family with toddlers? Then you know that one size fits no one. Knowing your guests isn't a nice to have, it's your superpower. That's where great personas come in. And no, it's not some high level marketing fluff. There's a difference between a 5-star review and a polite meh. In this episode, I'm going to break down how to understand, attract, and wow different traveler types using guest personas. You'll learn what they care about, what they don't, and how to tweak your space and service to leave them smiling all the way to the review section. Let's build on the kind of stays that guests remember and rave about. Families with young kids, safety and sanity. Let's start with the parents. Tired parents. Ones who would sell their souls for 10 minutes of peace. What they care about? Safety gates, corner protectors, and child locks. High chairs, cribs, and blackout curtains. Easy parking, no stairs if possible. How to wow them? Leave a basket of toys and books. Recommend family-friendly restaurants and parks nearby. Install a smart TV preloaded with kids' content. From the course, Mastering Vacation Rentals, Start, Manage, and Thrive in the Rental Business, we know that clear communication and thoughtful amenities reduce stress for parents and boost repeat bookings. Couples, romance and relaxation. Whether it's a honeymoon, anniversary, or just a kid-free weekend, couples want ambiance. What they care about? Privacy, quiet, and beautiful scenery. Romantic lighting and decor. Thoughtful touches like wine glasses or a fire pit. How to wow them? Add dimmable lighting and mood-setting music. Include a local wine recommendation in your welcome book. Offer a list of date night spots within a short drive. A simple change in lighting or adding cozy textures can make your place Instagrammable. And that's free marketing, by the way. Imagine this. A guest walks into your vacation rental and their eyes light up. They take in the perfect blend of comfort, style, and care, and they know they found something special. But getting there, that's the challenge. That's why we created Start Strong, building a successful vacation rental from the ground up. This course isn't just information. It's your blueprint for creating a rental that stands out and sells out. Transform your vision into reality. Click the link to learn more and start your journey to success today. Solo travelers. Efficiency meets comfort. These guests pack light, scroll reviews, and know exactly what they want. Peace, security, and decent Wi-Fi. What they care about? A fast check-in, fast Wi-Fi, and a good desk. Quiet and safety, especially for solo women travelers. Local coffee shops or co-working spots nearby. How to wow them? Set up a compact workspace with extra chargers. Offer contactless entry and quick responses to questions. Provide a solar explorer's guide with safe, walkable routes. You're not just hosting, you're giving them a home base for their next big idea. Digital nomads, the long stay pros. They're here for a month or two. They'll notice every creaky chair and slow kettle. What they care about? Ergonomic furniture, strong Wi-Fi, and privacy. Kitchen functionality and laundry access. Nearby gyms, cafes, or yoga studios. How to wow them? Offer discounts on 14-plus night stays. Provide a monitor or HDMI cable for laptop setups. Add guidebooks for long-stay living and local hidden gems. Digital nomads are repeat guests if you make their life easier than a hotel ever could. Adventure seekers. They gear up and go. They come with hiking boots, surfboards, or ski gear, and high expectations. What they care about? Proximity to trails, slopes, or water. Early check-ins and space for gear. Local insider tips on where to go. How to wow them? Add hooks, storage bins, and boot trays. Provide laminated maps or QR codes to trails. Suggest sunrise viewpoints or local rental shops. You'll earn massive brownie points for helping them chase that adrenaline buzz without logistical headaches. Before you list your rental, flood your inbox, or forget to budget, grab your 7-day vacation rental jumpstart download. It's your fast track to 5-star hosting with your sanity intact. Grab your copy now. You can find the link in the show notes. Which guest type do you host most often? Or which would you love to attract more? Drop it in the comments. Here are your 5 top key takeaways. Different guests equal different needs. Personal touches build loyalty. Kids, safety first. Couples, think ambiance. Nomads, function beats flash. Building the perfect stay starts with knowing your guests. Once you do, you can add those little things that make big impressions. Whether it's a toy box or a wine opener, you're not just hosting, you are creating memories. Want help setting this all up? Check out the full course, Mastering Vacation Rentals, Start, Manage, and Thrive in the Rental Business. It's packed with tips for nailing the guest experience without losing your sanity. And that wraps up another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends. Remember, every successful host starts with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting.